do stuff. Audi. Alright. Really hear it. There you go. Sounds pretty cool. Too loud. And I like the fire. The fire is cool. Fire! Oh, just made it. Just made the turn. We're coming up this way, I guess. Raise the American muscle, come on. Japanese first American, let's see this. That'd be so cool. Hurry up, guys.
You want to go? Not too bad.
Oh, that sounds good. Love it. Man, come on. Mitsubishi? Mishies Bishies.
Okay, right? Right into the
Yeah, no.
Right into Mr. Cobb.
Come on, R34. Come on, Godzillas. Do what you do. Sounds so mean. Yeah, everyone's kind of heading out now.
They're like, fuck it, you know what? We're late, but we're awesome.
Yeah. My hand is so cold right now. Ow.
Oh shit.
What? I'm getting it, it's alright. Yeah. This is a drag race. That'd be so sick. I think they might actually.
Smell though.
Drag it, drag it. Aw.
Okay.
Save the best for last.
Yay.
Yeah. Oh. That rubber. Go.
Yeah.
That boost. boost.
And
Oh.
jump.
This is awesome. It's called shifting. God damn it. All right, 240, what you got? What you got, man? Yeah! Damn, bro. Holy shit! Oh! Oh, yeah! Woo! Yeah!
Try again.
Oh!
Nope. Ryan.
Oh my god, that was too close, man. Oh fuck, that was way too close. I did not like that one bit. I did not like that. Holy shit, dude.
They're all going that way now.
One hell of a save, but holy shit.
Oh yeah. It's like nope. We're going this way.
Holy shit, dude.
You actually got that. I'm actually surprised.
I got that on video.
You're like watching. Oh, there he goes.
Evo, Subaru, okay, Evo, Subaru, Evo, Mitsubishi, Subaru. What the hell?
And the caliber.
Eclipse is the brownish one there.